This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a TV tuner card for an LCD monitor. First, identify the input ports on your LCD monitor, such as HDMI, DVI, or VGA. Next, examine your TV tuner card to see its available output connections. Finally, collect all the required cables, which might include an HDMI cable, a VGA cable, or an audio cable, depending on your specific devices. Having the right cables ensures a smooth setup process. Now, let's make the physical connections. Use the appropriate cable, like an HDMI or VGA, to link your TV tuner card directly to your LCD monitor. After that, connect your antenna or cable television source into the designated input port on the TV tuner card. Double-check that all power cables for both your monitor and the tuner card are firmly plugged into their respective outlets and devices. This ensures everything receives power. With the connections made, it's time to power everything on. Switch on your LCD monitor and then the TV tuner card. Using your monitor's remote or on-screen menu, select the correct input source that corresponds to where you connected the tuner card, for example, HDMI 1 or VGA. If your tuner card requires it, install any necessary drivers or software from the manufacturer to ensure full functionality and optimal performance. The final step is to scan for channels. Navigate to the TV tuner card's on-screen menu and initiate an automatic channel scan. This process will detect all available television channels. Once the scan is complete, you can fine-tune your monitor's display settings, such as brightness and contrast, for the best picture quality. Now you are ready to enjoy live television directly on your LCD monitor with your new setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.